we're going to talk about how many fractions of a circle is equal to how many degrees. When you're talking about degrees, you want to use a protractor, and that will give you half a circle. And so if you flip the protractor around, then you can line it up right about there. Yes, right about there. You get your circle. So right there you get your circle. Go here, and I'm going to start right here, and I'll draw out. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit. Let me span that out. So here you have your circle. And so many, if you see that half of your circle is 180 degrees, so using the information from your protractor, over here is 180 degrees. And that is equal to 1/2 of your circle. And if we take our circle and we cut it into 4 pieces, let's see, let's do that again. I'm going to start at 0. So half of the circle would be 180 degrees. And if you go all the way around the circle, you would either start at 0 degrees, or if you went all the way around the circle, one full rotation is 360 degrees. So that actually has 2 measurements. It can have more depending on how many times you go around the circle. At the top we have 1/4 of the circle is equal to 90 degrees. And down below we have 3/4 of the circle, and that is equal to 180 plus 90, or we have 270 degrees. Most students understand this concept, but they have difficulty when it asks them to find something like 5/6 of the circle. So just like we split the circle into 4 equal pieces, you can split the circle into, you take 360 here, 360, and you can take it, and we divided it by 4, and that's how we got 90 in each, but we can divide it by 6. So we can take 300, oh, let's go to a different one. 360 divided by 6, and we end up with 60 degrees. 60 degrees. So every I'm going to go here, and we'll say, so every 60 degrees, start here because that's 60 degrees. I'm going to go down here, and that's about right. Yep. Okay, so we have one line there. We have actually, our next line would be 120. That's about right. And then we have 0. For some reason my 0 is a little bit off, so I'm going to go down further. Let's start right here where they intersect. We can do that. That's 0, 0. Okay, so here I have 1/6 1/6 of a circle equals 60 degrees. 2/6 of the circle, which is 2 groups of 60, equals 120 degrees. 180 degrees is equal to 1/2, but it also is equal to 3/6. If you think about equivalent fractions, 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6. 4/6, where this blue line is, 4/6 of a circle is equal to 4 groups of 60. Then that would be 240 degrees. 5/6 of the circle would be right there at that blue line, and it's 5 groups of 60 degrees. So it's 5 times 60, so you end up with 300 degrees. And 6 groups of 60, you end up back at the 360 degrees. So that's how to find how much of a fraction of a circle, or how many fraction of a rotation, equals degrees.